I'm going to show you how to build this infinity tower. I call it that because it has this interlocking tower sort of figure eight design, so it looks like it can go on forever and ever. This design is very similar to the spiral tower I did in a previous episode, so if you're curious about how I built that one, you can find the link in the description below. So this follows kind of a progressive plank stacking to create like this spiral effect. So you'll need about 100 planks to get the base started, and then depending on how many extra planks you have, you can build as tall as you want. So go ahead and grab your planks and an open space, and let's get started. To start off the base design, you're going to use 4 planks and 4 planks, 8 total, to make a figure 8 shape. So you're imagining 2 circles, and then you want to make sure those 2 planks that I just pointed to are touching, and then you're going to go ahead and lay a layer of planks on top of those to create the completed figure 8. Now from there, I'm going to lay another plank right next to that one there, so that will be the extra support as we go up with the spiral. Now I'm counting the 1, 2, and then doing the next step, and then completing that whole layer. And then you're going to add another plank there so you can lay one on top and it doesn't fall. And then you're going to continue this pattern until you reach the end of the infinity. Once you've reached this top layer, you're going to add an upright plank right up next to that edge there, and then add another one on that same plank and lay one flat on top. And you want it to overlap the one flat plank that it's next to. Now you're going to add an upright onto the next level, and then continue this until you go all the way around. I hope you enjoyed this building tutorial. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more ideas like this one. And if there's something specific you want to see built, you can leave that in the comments below, and hopefully we can build something like that in the future. Thanks again for joining me. I can't wait to see what you create.